the name of this conference, From Day One, is so apropos, because for all of us, from day one, people are our most valuable asset and our most competitive advantage. And so all of us are in pursuit of the best talent that's going to drive our organizations to success. So I'm going to let Nicole and Andrew continue.
I must say, it has been quite a year. The world has changed, and it is time for us to recruit differently. When I view non-traditional talent, for me and within Accenture, it's looking beyond the regular recruiting channels like four-year institutions to find what we consider underemployed, underrepresented, qualified talent. We should also look for reskillers, veterans, and those with alternative educational background as an example.
Northrop Grumman Space Systems especially, you can imagine our traditional profile is STEM educated. We're running into the same problems of everybody else. We stand outside the gates of four-year universities next to all the other competitors or our competitors and others and wait for the talent just to come to Northrop Grumman. So we had to look in our periphery. We had to look in our blind spots. I spearheaded this effort about 3 years ago at Northrop Grumman, and we've had some success, and we're having more. But really, how I define that non-traditional talent is high aptitude, passionate people that are skilled, but maybe not the same level of skill that we would normally look for at Northrop Grumman. So we take, as I'm very fond of saying, aptitude is evenly distributed, but opportunity is not.
And Angie, you're so spot on. It's looking beyond our blind spot, because as you alluded to, we have to get out of our comfort bubble and partner with organizations like Empower and others to find those skilled talent that we can bring in and groom and help them to grow.
I encourage people to start a lab environment. Okay, that experiment is important, and that lab environment where you can grow these folks. So we started a small lab. Everybody in the lab was handpicked. In that lab, we had one of our Empower interns solve a problem that one of our government customers had been working on for over 6 months. They could not get an answer. One of our Empower interns, in 6 weeks, working solo, of course, solved the problem. Why? Because they brought a diversity of thought that the customer simply didn't have. Guys, this is not just the right thing to do. This is not just good for your recruiting. This is a competitive advantage where you're going to be able to solve problems better, differently, and quicker than you could in your traditional systems.